Mana to esikoleni senze homework spelling. A is for early. B is for besta. C is for season. D is for Dikwamashu. E is for India. F is for physics. G is for Jesus. H is for ashes. I is for eyes. J is for general. K is for Cape Town. L is for
lol.
L is for lol. M is for embrace. N is for knowledge. And O is for awesome. P is for pushy passion. Q is for cute. R is for wrong. S is for psychology. S is for psychology. T is for teacher. U is for Europe. V is for VMLAS. X is for excuse me.
X.
Y is for why. Z is for Zulu.
Yabona uzothola itotally. Lo uyayibona lento oyibhalayo. Thenjiwe uyangichaza kodwa mntana ngokukhalipha. Hayi ngesinye isikhathi angimasi busas wenze njani. Kodwa hayi le uhamba nayo mntakwethu.
Ngiyabonga ma.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.